Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track changes and add comments in LibreOffice Writer. Now with regards to that of adding comments, the easiest way for us to do this is highlight something. Say for example here, and I want to add a comment. I can right click on this one and then go ahead and use the insert comment right here. So I can then go ahead and write, say for example, title is not that lipping, or title is not good rather. Recommend replace. Okay. There you go. I can then go ahead and basically just click somewhere else, and there goes the comment. So it's not gonna move away there. And yeah, basically you can go ahead and reply unresolved, resolve this, and so many others right here. And yeah, once that is done, say for example you want to track changes here, someone else is collaborating with you. What you can do is just click on the file here, and you should be able to see here versions. So if you click this one right here, you should be able to see here the different versions that you have saved. So if I want to click or save a new version, I can then go ahead and click this one right here and then save this one by, or I'm gonna say Dave, and then changes is here, or changes is that in there, something like that. Click OK, and yeah, I can then go ahead and close this one right here. And if I want to open that version, I can head over here and then go ahead and click the show or open. So yeah, basically that's how you are going to track changes and add comments in LibreOffice Writer.